This is the fastest muscle car ever built, and it comes with over 1000 horsepower. The Dodge Challenger Demon 170 comes with a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, producing 1025 horsepower on E85 fuel and 900 horsepower on standard fuel, and it produces 1100 Newton meters of torque and does 0 to 100 in just 1.6 seconds, and is faster than most supercars like the Bugatti Chiron, Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Lamborghini Aventador and the Porsche 918 Spider. Most people recognize it by its iconic supercharger whine, but what are your thoughts? Tell me in the comment section.